6 days ago, we had snow across the region, but that seems to be in the rearview mirror. Let's look at our week ahead. Severe storms will be most likely to our south across Texas and Oklahoma. Pretty active for storm chasers down there. Rain will be kind of working in for Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll talk more about that in just a little bit, but the overwhelming majority of the center part of the country will be warm heading into the weekend as the cooler air departs to the east. Let's look at where it's going to rain, because another thing that we're looking at is most of the rain to stay to our south, at least the heavy rain. These are like 3 to 5 inch rain, so these could cause some problems on the area rivers as well to our south. But for us, we need a little bit. Yep. And here's the thing. Notice I said little bit, because we've got a lot of farmers working out in the fields. It's great, but have you noticed it's been dusty in the air as we're stirring that up? Now, we may get a little bit here Tuesday and Wednesday. Nothing terrible. I don't think this is as much that's going to cause muddy fields, but we may take a day to dry out Thursday. And as we look at our wind speed forecast, still pretty breezy over the course of the next couple of days, though today's 31-mile-an-hour wind may gust up toward 40. Here's a look at the jet stream. It's the steering wheel for storms, and also it determines what kind of weather pattern we're going to have. A southwesterly wind like this is going to be nice and warm. That's going to last into midweek. The problem is we've got a little trough. You see that right in here. It's a trough because it kind of is like a bowl, right? So that means a little cooler for Thursday, but look what happens by the weekend. That's gone, and then we're setting our sights on more warm air. This is a southwest jet stream screaming in here, and that most certainly will bring us back in the 70s for next weekend. So what a departure, right? From last week when we had snow, we had a couple of nights of freezing temperatures. It was down to 37 yesterday morning. But we will make it to 80 today, 86 on Tuesday, some storms possible Wednesday. Before we look to the weekend, how's 75, 78 sound? It's going to be quite nice. 80 is what we're shooting for here for today on the heels of gusty southwest winds. 86 is where we're going to go tomorrow. That's probably the warmest of it, because after that we're going to start to see at least a chance for showers and a few storms. Here's a look at where we're going for today. Notice the rain stays to the north, snowy, even freezing rain up toward Rhinelander today. That's on the cooler side of things. As we look in toward tomorrow, could be some strong storms, central Wisconsin back out toward Omaha, Sioux Falls. For us, we've still got that southwesterly wind coming in. It's going to be warm. And then as we head in toward Wednesday, severe weather will be possible well to our south. I just don't see all of the dynamics taking place here this go around. That's good. All right, we'd like to see some showers. It's nice to get some thunderstorms too. But as we look ahead, things are going to be quite nice. What's behind my head? It's the setting moon. That's a good shot there, Greg. 42 degrees, easterly wind at 8 miles an hour. You know, one thing that we were talking about this morning before our show started, if there's some people out there that think that the earth is flat, have you ever heard about that? They're called flat earthers. Do they believe that the moon is flat too? Because how would that work? If the earth was flat and the moon was spherical, it would really change in shape on the horizon. It just wouldn't make any sense at all. 80 degrees for today, windy, much warmer, gusts of 40 miles per hour. As we look toward 86 degrees tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms possible on Wednesday. You can write all of your complaint letters to me, 3003 Park 16th Street, Moline, Illinois, 61265.